Today in this video we will talk about this platform Resume.io, and I want to tell you what is the pricing of Resume.io. So all the pricing you will see on your screen. So let's get started. So the first thing I want to show you like this. They have four plans, and their three plans are best and rest all the you can say waste. Okay, the first one is for 7 days trial. So if you use their trial period, then you will see all the options in your trial period, and after using your trial they will charge you approx 24 to $25. So make sure before using their subscription, before using their trial period, you have to cancel your subscription before in between 7 days, otherwise they will charge you $24. Okay, if you forget your subscription cancellation. But when you cancel your subscription, make sure you have to try 3 to 4 times. You have to make sure you have already canceled your subscription, otherwise they will also charge you. Okay, and if we talk about their other plans, their plans are little bit costly. Like you have to pay 3,678 rupees for 6 months, and if you go with 1 year plan, they will charge you 5,799 rupees. Okay, so you can see each and every information you can on your screen. So these are the pricing models of Resume.io. Now before making any subscription, you have to contact with the customer support team related to return and refund, in what condition you will get your return and in which condition you will get your refund. So this is the method, or you can say this is the information related to Resume.io pricing. Okay, so if you're facing any issue, you can make a comment. I will reply you very soon, and thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.